Hey guys, all right, so today we're going to get to do a little bit of analysis and a little bit of drawing, which I think is pretty exciting. So you're going to be creating a chapter visual for chapter 7. So you're going to write the title of the chapter on the top of the paper, so it'll look kind of like this. You'll write chapter 7, and then the name of the chapter, Shadows and Tall Trees, and then I want you to illustrate a scene. Or you can create a collage of pictures that describe a character or event from that chapter that you think was super important. And I want you to include at least 3 symbols from the chapter in your drawing. For this, you're welcome to use a mixture of your own kind of, either you can do this entirely on paper and take a picture of it and send it to me that way, or you can do a mixture of pictures from the internet and your own drawing and that kind of thing. And then you're going to pull 4 quotes from the chapter that you think are super important and that tie into your central visual. So you're also going to discuss, you're going to write a short reflection afterwards, and you can do this on the back of the piece of paper, or you can type it and do it separate, where you discuss the significance of the chapter's title. So why do you think it was named this? Why does Golding choose this for the title? I want you to explain why each symbol is important to the chapter as a whole, and then what theme from that list of 7 that we've been working with do you think best encapsulates this chapter, and why do you think that? Be able to explain your choice, okay? And that is all you guys are going to be working on today, and I'll see you tomorrow.